At Delphi, as an electrical and electronics architecture company, it's very important to us to advance the electrical systems of the future. And autonomous vehicles are going to require a lot of sharing of data between various vehicle systems. An example might be we have audio systems, we have navigation systems, safety systems, engine controls that all use different protocols like a USB or a FlexRay or a LIN and CAN system. What we want to do is allow those systems to share information. One way to do that is with an Ethernet backbone. Ethernet is a unique protocol in the fact that it allows all of these other protocols to speak over Ethernet. So by using Ethernet, we have several advantages. Not only can all these systems communicate together and share information, but Ethernet is also a protocol that is flexible in speeds. So you can vary the speeds of Ethernet. We're looking at going from 100 megabits per second all the way up into the gigabit ranges with Ethernet. The other thing that is very unique about Ethernet systems is you can do this with unshielded twisted cables and unshielded connectors, unlike all these other protocols that require shielded cables and shielded connectors. So by doing this, this gives us a real advantage to the OEM, the fact that it's a lower cost system in the vehicle. It's an advantage to the wire harness manufacturers in the fact that they can use standard wires and standard cables and connectors for that system. And of course, it's an advantage to the consumer because now all this information is being shared within the vehicle. So Ethernet provides a lot of flexibility and functionality. And you know, years ago, we would have never thought that our radio might want to speak to our safety system or our transmission. But today, we already know that our radios and transmissions communicate because our radios have variable volume control. It's a simple example. But in the future, for autonomy, all of the systems have to communicate in that same way. So this is a real advantage to Ethernet in the vehicle, and it gives an advantage to not only to the OEM, but it's an advantage to the consumer because now the consumer can have all their information being shared with the vehicle as well.